rotational axis of the Earth generally moves further westward every single year. But suddenly, in year 2000, scientists measured that the North Pole started shifting more towards the east, out of nowhere.
Scientists knew the pole was moving westward and predicted it would continue to do so. Now, it switched direction.
This is a groundbreaking discovery.
Worse still, the pole is moving twice as fast as it was before, and it seems to be accelerating.
This change is surprising, both in the rate that it's happening and how strong it is.
If this migration of the North Pole continues to go east, the equator will then come up to reach Chicago. And now you have Chicago at the equator, and things get really bizarre.
The wandering position of the Earth's spin axis could dramatically shift the world's climate, changing the United States into a vast, baked desert. Rising temperatures would cause the mighty Mississippi to evaporate to a feeble trickle. Agonizing droughts cause the lush farmlands of Virginia to turn to cracked, barren wilderness, while the forests of this once green nation burn to ash.
Let's say you're living in Los Angeles. Everything just keeps heating up, and heating up. There's no way to avoid all the water just being evaporated away. It'd be a dry, barren, very hot wasteland.
Anything that couldn't adapt would die. It would be impossible to sustain agriculture. There would be famine. We would have a migration crisis like none the world has ever seen.
The rest of the Earth as we know it would be turned on its head. The South Pacific would be locked in sheet ice. The Arctic would melt. Europe would become home to the new North Pole. 5,000 years of civilization reduced to a frigid wasteland.
We absolutely couldn't survive. I mean, it's a bizarre world that it's almost hard to imagine.